market goes up, comes back down, goes up, goes up, goes up. If you've been struggling to find entries using the one candlestick strategy or any other strategy I have shown you here on the channel, this video will settle it all. This video is going to help you to find the entries that you've been struggling to find. Be sure to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss what I'm going to show you in the video. This strategy that I'm sharing with you guys in this video is the most popular strategy I have shared on the channel, and many people have benefited by applying this strategy onto their trading. Now, you don't have to be left behind. Learn this strategy and learn to implement it correctly so that you can be able to see yourself getting better entries and getting more profitable in the market. So without wasting time, guys, if you're new to the channel, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below with your questions so that we can be on the same page, guys. So without wasting time, let's go onto the screen and I'm going to show you guys how to trade the one candlestick strategy systematically. I'm going to show you everything that you need to follow in order to get good entries using this strategy. So guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so we are here on the chart and I'm going to show you guys this with an illustration. After you understand this, guys, it's going to be very simple for you to trade the one candlestick strategy, because there is nothing really complicated about trading a one candlestick strategy. You just need to understand how to place your entries, when to place your entries, and the steps that you're supposed to follow to make sure that you get the correct entries. Because sometimes the people who are using the one candlestick strategy, they find entries at a wrong area, or you're looking at entries while the market is consolidating or maybe not giving you a correct movement or momentum. The first thing you're going to do is choose which type of trade you're going to take. Are you going to take the trade on the 15 minutes chart? Are you going to base your higher time frame on the 4-hour chart, daily, weekly? What are you going to do? Are you going to swing trade? Are you going to scalp? Are you going to position trade? So in this case, we are going to be looking at this on a 4-hour chart. So we are going to be basically scalping or day trading, if you want to call it that way. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the market you're trading is trending either going up or going down. But for this example in this video, I am going to use the bullish market. Okay, I'm going to use a trending market that is trending to the upside, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the market is creating higher highs, higher lows, and it's breaking structure. Okay, it's breaking resistance and creating support. So the market is trending to the upside. That's the first thing you have to do. The second thing is make sure a 20 period moving average. This red line here is a 20 period moving average. Make sure that moving average is below the candles or below the market. All right, and also make sure that the market is gaining momentum. Don't trade when the candles are very tiny. Okay, make sure the market is gaining momentum so that you have a good chance of entering into the market which has volume to move your trade into your take profit. So after you've determined the direction of the market, it's going up, the moving average is below the price, it means that the market is bullish in this case. What you're going to do is you're going to follow this illustration here exactly. Make sure the candles that you're going to be marking are above the 20 period moving average. As you can see here, this is the 20 period moving average in blue here, and the candles, this green candle which has closed, this one which you're marking here, it's above the 20 period moving average. It doesn't have to be the one which has just crossed above 20 period moving average. It can be up above, way up above the 20 period moving average. The thing you have to consider is the market has to be above the 20 period moving average for you to confirm that the trend is bullish. After you've confirmed that, then this candle here has closed. This candle here has closed. Don't mark the candle which is open and is still printing. Mark the candle which has just closed, which is this one here. All right, so you're going to place a line, a horizontal line on the close of that candle on top, and place another one at the low of that candle at the bottom like this, and then that space in between, move this purple zone, move it forward. Don't put it on the candle like this. Don't put it on this candle. Move it forward. Let there be a space between that zone and that candle which you're drawing the zone on. This purple zone here is based on this candle here which has just closed, but don't draw that zone on that candle directly. Okay, just draw the two lines, these ones, on the candle itself like that, and then just move the purple zone forward so that there is a space between that candle and the purple zone, such that you can allow the next candle to open inside of the purple zone. That is why you move the zone in front. Don't move the zone on the candle itself. So after you've drawn this, assume that this candle right here has not yet opened. This one here, that candle is what you're going to trade. You're going to trade the wick, this lower wick of that candle. This wick here is what you're going to trade. This one, you're going to look for entries on that wick, but on lower time frames, like a 5-minute chart in this case. So this wick is what we're going to trade on a lower time frame, right? So this is how it would look like on the 15-minute chart. This candle here is the same candle here on the 4-hour chart, but then this illustration I've drawn here, it shows the path which I want the market to take. So what I want, the next candle, I want it to open and pull back inside and then start giving me a break above this red moving average, which is a 20-period moving average. The moment I get a break above that average like this, or if the market pulls back inside of a 50 or 61.8 Fibonacci, I get an entry to buy to continue this candle's momentum. So this zone right here is what we are going to find our entries in. This one. So you enter inside of the zone or just near the zone. So after you have followed all these steps here, you're going to go down to the 5-minute chart and then you're going to get your entries on there. If you follow all the steps that I'm showing you here, guys, it's not going to be very difficult for you to find entries. You always find entries using the one candlestick strategy. This strategy is so simple and it is so basic, and many people are using this strategy to make a living. Make sure you learn the strategy first, learn to manage your risk, and try to find your entries at the best times. Don't just enter when the market is consolidating. Wait for the market to give you a trend and then you start looking for your trades in the direction of that trend, right? So enough with this. Let me show you guys with a bar replay how I would enter a trade using this. We're going to do this on Bitcoin. All right, guys, so we are here on the BTC USD chart. This is a 4-hour chart. This candle has just closed, this one here. So I have marked its close on top and it's low at the bottom, and you can see that this simple moving average is crossing below these candles here. So the trend is changing from bearish here to bullish, and we can see that there is momentum in the market. You can see these 4 big green candles here are pushing price up. So we are now assuming that the market is starting to trend going up. So we've marked this bullish candle here. So we've confirmed the trend is going up, and we have got a bullish candle that has just closed. So we mark the close of that candle and the low of that candle on a 4-hour chart, as you can see here. Then now we're going to go down to the 5-minute chart. So we are now on the 5-minute chart. Now this zone here that we've marked, it's the same zone that is on the 4-hour chart, this one here. So we were waiting for the market to come down inside of this zone like this, okay, and give us some break above the moving average. Which moving average are we talking about? We're talking about this moving average here. You can see right now the moving average is above the price, but as the price moves, this moving average is going to come also inside of this zone and wait for the price to break above the moving average. Then we'll get an entry to enter. So just follow the steps, guys, so that you don't get confused next time you're looking for an entry. All right, now let's play along and we see how this would work. Let me just remove this first so that we can play this better, so that you can see it clearly. All right, so we play, the market comes into the tradable zone, as you can see. So we're waiting for the market now to break above the moving average for us to get our entry. As you can see now, price is approaching the moving average, and now we get ready and wait for our entry trigger. All right there. Okay, so we get a break above the moving average right here inside of this tradable zone. So what you do, don't be afraid to enter a trade. So we can see the market has broken above this moving average right here. So now what we're waiting for is a push to the upside, right? So we play along while managing risk. You can see market goes up, comes back down, goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up, wait for it right there. So this trade goes ahead and wins. You can see how simple this is. This is how you would be able to get your entries using the one candlestick strategy from the 4-hour chart to the 5-minute chart, following the steps that I have shown you from the beginning of the video. Guys, if you've not understood this, please go and watch the video again and follow the steps one by one so that you can be able to practice this, backtest this on your favorite pairs. As you can see, many of you have been asking me, does this work on crypto? I've shown you this on Bitcoin, And you can also use this on forex pairs, gold. You can use this on commodities if you have the right entry criteria. So it's very important that you learn how to enter the trades correctly. Okay, if you've not yet understood how these zones are drawn, you can also go and watch the full video of the one candlestick course that I'll leave at the end of this video for you to be able to understand this much better. Okay, so guys, if this has brought you value, please don't leave the video without leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and also sharing this video across your social medias, guys. I would really love to see your support so that I can get more motivation to bring you more content like this. Thank you guys for your continued support. Until next time, guys, peace and out.